Oo, sinagot nila.
It feels good. It feels good. I'm very happy. Just, it's a good feeling.
Describe mo yung feelings mo, Billy.
Mahal ko.
Na-hurt ka? Have you talked to Billy?
No. I can only be very happy for my best friend. That's true. That's true. Mas masaya si Billy. Ang ganda ng ngiti niya.
The hardest thing that we ever had to go through was dealing with everyone's crap and trying to be involved with our relationship. I got to see the stronger side of her. Well, I'm very blessed.
Nag-trending sa social media ang Vice Real Kiss.
I think he was doing Katy Perry's I Kissed a Girl. And then Kareem was at the audience. Ginawa ni Vice, bumaba siya, at kinisses the lips. It doesn't smack actually. Of course, ang kagulo ng tao. This is a confession. Gustong-gusto ko po ang Vice Real tandem. There's a certain chemistry, I can't explain it, but I like them. So nagkakaroon netizens, maraming napasaya. But of course, there were complaints.
Nag-kiss ba kayo o hindi? Tinatanong ng mga Vice Real.
Tumatak na hangover.
Yung halik ng dalawa. Hindi ko sinabihan ng bestie.
Biruan din naman namin. Tsaka for the fans, diba? Nakakatuwa. And ano lang, laro-laro lang. Kami yun, minlaro nyo talaga.
First time na nangyari yun, it was Sinemoto. So parang hindi yata gets ng iba na it's part of the show na we have Sinemoto. Lumakas yung parang team up ba? That it happens all the time.
Hindi dapat maging iriktado ang inyong mga tanghabi. Malapit sa pinabay. Kasama ka pala kasi sigaw para hindi na magalit si Billy.
Doon sa mga kontrobersyal pinag-usapang intimate scenes, nagselos ka?
Well, sino ba naman ang boyfriend na hindi, alam mo yun, hindi magsiselos? You know,
Okay.
I'd definitely be lying.
Recorded have said, I can't imagine myself without her. Is this a hint na medyo magpro-propose ka na?
Magpo-propose na ako. Quite frankly, or to be honest with you, I would love to. You know, I would definitely love to take that step. When the time comes, na if I feel the time is right, and I definitely won't hesitate. Kasi she definitely made me a better person. She really completes everything about me.
You know,
I couldn't be happier.
now I understand why you said, I can't imagine life na wala siya.
Yes,
Di ba? One word, describe.
everything.
Wow.
Tanong ngayon ng tao, nabigyan ka na ba ng susi?
Ay, naku, abangan na lang natin
Gusto ko yung tatlong page na yun.
Ay, oo, naka-place talaga.
But how are you
But
guys
for
doing?
now, everything's great.
Congratulations, love. I'm really, really proud of you. And continue on with your success. And your blessings is just overflowing right now. And I'm very proud of you, and I'm very happy to be here for you, regardless of what anybody says. I'll always be here, and I'll always love you. So.
When you work with Vice, dahil sa dalas na magkasama, hindi naman, how do you keep that freshness?
Well, jokes. Minsan, sinishare ko yung bawon ko sa kanya.
Okay. And the fact that you did not become, an item.
Yeah, I guess there's always that tension.
Tension coming from that story that yes, he did try, but
Yeah,
Would you
maybe
become
our
the-
love stories for
Okay.
the stage.